The Be Brilliant marketing campaign began with the launch of our complete line of ISON LED high bay products in January and will run over the next few months. Building on Orion's Make Our Customers Heroes vision, the Be Brilliant campaign is about leveraging the ISON high bay to position our customers as the brightest mind in their business. 214 lumens per watt is an industry first, but more importantly, it makes businesses money and in turn makes our customers look like a hero in the eyes of their business peers. The highly targeted and measurable tactics include email marketing to leads in our Salesforce database, as well as purchase lists with some telemarketing follow-up. We will engage with LinkedIn members using in-mail and banner ads, as well as other social media targeting, and finally direct mail. The tactics will drive the audience to our website, where they will find information on the ISON high bay on the homepage and on a special landing page that will include links to sell sheets, data sheets, photometrics, and more. Our primary goal with the Be Brilliant campaign is first and foremost to fill the sales funnel with qualified leads and ultimately increase opportunities for our sales partners to get a seat across the desk of decision makers. The leads will move through our lead management process, and those determined to be qualified will be turned over to our agent network. So that's the Be Brilliant campaign. We hope you find the materials and messaging to be effective support when you tell the Orion story and help your customer be the brightest mind in the room.